Here's how to turn your Google ads on and off. We are logged into this Google ad account. Usually you're going to be on this page. You want to click down here under campaigns, go to campaigns, and if you see a green dot that is just a little circle, then that means the campaign is on. And if you see a pause like this one, this means the campaign is off. So here I will go in and briefly turn this campaign on. Okay, now I can go back and turn that campaign off. I could do the same thing by clicking down here. And again, I can do the same thing by clicking down here and then go ahead and pausing it back. Now, one thing I would very much hesitate to do is remove any campaign, because once you remove it, you can never use any part of it or copy any part of it. And a lot of the times you do want some of the content that's inside of that campaign. So hesitate to remove, mostly pause. That's how you do it. Just click the little drop down and get it done that way. Also, if you want to look at billing, you just click on the billing link over here and look at your summary of billing, your billing activity, your documents, promotions, billing transfers. Mostly what you're going to be looking at is billing activity and your documents for the billing that you've been getting from Google. You need to stay on top of this stuff. If you do not stay on top of this stuff, Google can get out of hand financially fast. So stay on top of it, monitor it regularly, pause the ads when you need to. Another word about pausing ads, though, you don't want to start and stop them too much, especially early on in the campaign. It can really hinder the campaign from learning and doing the right things that it needs to do.